welcome to Nena's Bubble. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and it's going to be my first video of 2020. I had taken a break for Christmas and for New Year's, and then really the laziness and the depression of a new year and the winter. So yeah, today we're gonna be doing the daily goodie box unboxing for the month of January. Remember, this box is completely free. Yes, you can get it. You just have to go and apply and say, hey, I want my box. And then when you get your box, review the items that you have in your box, and then you could qualify to get another box for the next following month. Then in the description box will be the link to where you can go and sign up for a box, as well as to my social media, so follow me there too. Subscribe to this channel, click the little bell to notify you when I have a new video. Comment down below what was your favorite item, and let's get to opening it. It's quite heavy, I gotta tell you. I think this is the heaviest box that I have gotten from the daily goodie box people. And the toughest to open too. Oh my, really? Ta-da! This one says thank you for getting it. Yeah. And then we go, oh my gosh, I like to surprise myself. So let's get the first item. Ooh! I was gonna say, here's the heavy part. No, it's 3 pouches of the North Coast organic fruit and veggie applesauce. There's one applesauce blueberry spinach kale, and there's one applesauce mango sweet potato and apricot. And there's one with pear, blackberry, and beets. Oh my gosh, all of these sound delicious except the kale and the spinach. There's 3 of them for you to try, your babies. The expiration date is February 18, 2021, so that's pretty good. There you go. And I like that they have, it's a full-size product. It's not just a sample, and they send you 3 of the flavors, which is great, and they include it in this Ziploc bags. That's why I love about daily goodie box, that they include full-size items for the most part, and then they care about if they explode. You know what I mean? Next thing is Mary's Gone Crackers. Mary's Gone, it does say that. Super seed, classic, tasty, and seriously seedy with a pinch of black pepper. Look at that. It's just like seeds, like, you know, like seed, like granola. That's what it is. That's what it is. Is this bar by RXBAR. It's a protein bar, 3 egg whites, 14 peanuts, 2 dates, no BS. Haha, peanut butter chocolate. Very nice. I think I've tasted those before. I'm not sure. And the next thing, I just want to go in it. Today is very packed. Tosi, delicious crisps, cashew coconut, super bites. Oh, look at that. Sunshine in the bill. Okay, well, okay. There you go. It's just like little cashew bars. I like these kinds of things. Yes. The next thing, it's this one. Sleep Factors. This one I think we have gotten, or I have gotten before, and these things, my husband actually tries them, and Sleep Factors 12 vegan capsules contains, I think he has tried this and it says it works a little bit. Because this is part of the heavy part. Coco Luxe Hydration, pure coconut water. Oh my gosh, I love coconut water. Here's the coconut water. It's coconut, 100% coconut water, no added sugar, never from concentrated, no preservatives. And I guess the brand is Coco Luxe Hydration, and it's a whole complete thing of coconut water. I don't think this has a due date, but it probably, oh yes it does. October 5th of this year. That is probably gone by that time. Look, Layla wants to open this one. Mary's Gone Crackers. It's little, like little tortillas, like little cookies, like little crackers. I see. It's good. Just like seeds. See? 2 coconut waters. What? Do you want to taste it? Here you go. Did you love it? Here you go. They're the same thing, 2 of them. Very nicely, daily goodie box or the Coco Luxe hydration. Thank you very much. The next thing is Hydralyte clinical hydration repair results. Effervescent electrolytes tablets. This one looks familiar. I don't know if they have said something similar to this. I think they sent another. Oh yes, I remember. It was a little drink. It was a little drink, and my husband actually liked it. It's like a little, like, what are you? Instead of taking a Red Bull, so you take one of these. It says 2 tablets and a 7 ounce of water, natural orange flavor, electrolytes tablet. Not like a Red Bull. What is that normal? Like a Gatorade or a Powerade, kind of like that kind of thing. Or, and these ones are tablets. You just put it in your water. Ooh, do recommend. We did like the other way. I think there's a few things. Oh, there. I think there's nothing. There's nothing. There's one more thing in the infomercials of every item that it's included in the box. And here is a little thing here. It says MONGO Kiss with MONGO MONGO oil. Lip balm with a kiss of bliss. Peppermint. Eco lip. Let's see. Oh, this is very nice. This lipstick chopstick seems a bit thicker than the regular ones. I want to say it looks very big and it smells like peppermint, and it's quite. How do you use it? Twist for mango kiss. Oh, here you go. It twists right on the top, and then your goodness comes out. I think. It's very minty and very oily and lip balmy and delicious. Look at this is the other bar with the cashews. Oh my god, cashew and the coconut. Delicious. This one. I think this is my favorite. The Cocoa Bites, and of course the lip balm. Winter is here. I like it. MONGO Kiss with MONGO oil. What is that MONGO? Should look it up. Yep. Well, yeah. That is all that included in this box. I think this box has more items than usual. As in, they have included 2 drinks. The Mary's Gone crackers. The lip balm, which is I think is my favorite. The lip things, which I think we already have tried it. And the Hydrate clinical things, rapid things, we tried it in another presentation. It was actually the liquid shot. And then the peanut butter chocolate bar thing. And of course my favorite Tosi cashew coconut super bites that are delicious. And I think that was it that included in this. Oh no! And my first favorite, the North Coast organic apple sauces. A great box for trying the very eatable box. Yeah, well that is all that I have for today's unboxing of the daily goodie box. Hopefully you guys like it. Comment down below what was your favorite item, if you have tried anything of this. If you want to try something of this box, down in the description box will be the link to every single item that is in this box in case you want to buy a single thing from here. Other than that, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe. Welcome to 2020. I'm gonna get back into the videos. I'll catch you later. Bye bye, bubbles.